Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tally Prime. First, understand that Tally Prime is a powerful business management software designed to streamline your accounting, inventory, and payroll processes. It offers a seamless experience for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. To begin, you'll want to visit the official Tally Solutions website. There, you can explore the various options available for obtaining the software, including a free trial to get you started. Once on the Tally Solutions website, navigate to the Downloads section. You'll find the Tally Prime installer available for various operating systems. Select the version compatible with your computer, typically a 64-bit system. After downloading, locate the setup file and double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the simple on-screen prompts, which usually involve accepting terms and choosing an installation directory. The entire process takes only a few minutes. After installation, the next crucial step is licensing and activation. Tally Prime offers different license types, including single-user and multi-user options, catering to diverse business needs. You can purchase a new license directly from Tally Solutions or an authorized partner. Once you have your serial number and activation key, open Tally Prime and follow the prompts to activate your license online. This process typically takes less than 1 minute and unlocks all features. With Tally Prime successfully installed and activated, you are now ready to explore its extensive features. The software allows you to effortlessly manage all your accounting entries, including ledgers and vouchers. You can also maintain detailed inventory records, track stock movements, and manage multiple godowns. Furthermore, Tally Prime simplifies payroll processing, handling attendance and employee information. It also generates over 200 types of reports, providing valuable insights for informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.